I haven't said this yet, but I grew up spending every summer on a river. We called it a creek, but it was wider than this river is. And we used to catch crayfish and all kinds of things. And I remember there being snakes in that creek. And it established a pretty intense phobia for me. But, you know, that's part of nature when it comes to a creek. But this river is quite interesting. And they picked up a bunch of junk yesterday, so very happy about that. And they're coming back to get the rest of it. And I think they waited this long because for some reason, or I guess, you know, the earth just keeps purging stuff. And I don't know if you can see it, but right over there, there's a pipe. They'll probably take that. And right down here, that's part of a trailer. And it got all hung up on, I don't even know what's down there. They grabbed some stuff yesterday, but not that. It's probably wedged in there pretty good. Anyway, I hope to be here when they come back. They say Monday, so I'll be here. We'll see. Today is Saturday. This is the ridgepole they're making. It is 36 feet long. 3 2x8s sandwiched together. So, moving stones, fun, wow. Anyway, we separated out everything we can use on the towers. Here and here. And the big ones that won't stick because they're just way too heavy and thick, we're going to put over there for possible pavers or a wall or something. He's putting a ladder in the front and a ladder in the back, and he'll extend those up so they can get that ridgepole up. And that ridgepole is 36 feet long. It will extend over the deck, which are these 3 front pillars here. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to extend over by 24 inches on both the front and the back. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and he's telling us he's going to have the roof on tonight. Kind of doubt that, but we'll see. The ridgepole going up. He's resting that board he's walking on scaffolding right there, and then the edge of the top plate. So it is 3 inches, that slot. I thought it was going to be 6 inches wide, but it isn't. That is an 8/12 pitch. Just gonna try and do half the rafters today and also get the plywood up. And then tomorrow, the other half. And then the, I don't know, it's called ice and wind. Stuff that goes on before you put the metal down. We ordered the metal today, and we're going to get a black metal roof.